Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an autocomplete text view in the Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. In the app-level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have an autocomplete text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the autocomplete text view. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is an array of strings that we will use as the data set of the autocomplete text view. In the onCreate function, first, we have set the adapter for the autocomplete text view. Here we pass the string array to the adapter. Then we set this adapter to our autocomplete text view. And finally, we set the threshold value to 2. So the autocomplete text view will start completing or guessing the text and the user has typed at least 2 letters in the text view. The threshold value is the minimum number of letters required by the autocomplete text view for it to perform the autocompletion. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement an autocomplete text view in Kotlin Android. Thank you.